Hi! In front of me is Lenovo 10e Chromebook, and today I would like to show you how you can open apps in split screen view. First of all, you need to open two of your apps in the background. I will go with Play Store and maybe Calendar. Now select this button at the bottom right corner of your screen and hold one of your apps that you wish to use on the right. Then drag it over here to split screen section, and when you're ready, let go. Now just click on the second app. As you can see, now I can use both at the same time. If you wish to go back from this mode, drag one of your apps all the way to the right or to the left and click on Home button. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!